Section 3, Data Storage and Retrieval. In this section, we're going to take a look at actually working with the database. We're going to see how you store string keys and values in the database. We're also going to look at how key spaces work, and we're going to look more at how you can use complex keys and some of the basic data structures or complex values in the database. String keys and values. So to start with, a key is no more than a string that you use to store and retrieve values in the database. There are no secondary indexes in the database, so you cannot just query the database for any value that you have as you might do in a SQL database. Instead, you use your string keys to be able to access those values through a simple mechanism of set key and value or get a key. Let's go back to our Redis CLI. Now I want to set a value in the database. I'm going to call it my key and my value. Okay. That means it's actually stored this value in the database. And I can retrieve it by typing merely get my key. And you can see it does return my value. So this was very quick, but in summary, all Redis data access is built on these keys. And the way you work with Redis is to create your own access schemes based on key values. And I'll show you a little bit more about how you can do that in a more complex way later. So the next video, we'll talk about key spaces.